What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today's going to be an exciting one. Today, what we're going to be doing is getting my Civic back. So, my Civic is at the shop because I could not figure out what the issue was with the draining. I disconnected all the wires from the subwoofers that the guy put in, wasn't doing it. I put a new alternator in, wasn't doing it. So, brought it to the shop, and the guy said that whoever did the subwoofers fucked the wiring up really bad. And that's what he said. That's exactly what he said to me. So, we're going to be getting it back today, and that's going to be exciting. So we're going to do a couple pulls. It's raining, though, so, I mean, whatever. Civic life, let's bump the wrap opener, right? No, alright, so, yeah. And another thing is, I'm not sure how updated you guys are. My transmission blew. So, yeah. We got a new transmission in there. The new transmission has like, I don't know, 30,000 miles on it. So, it's got some life to it, but I'm not going to beat on it for now. Because I have some plans for this. It's a bit disgusting, oxidized in there, but whatever. I have some plans for this, and the plans are I'm going to open this up, guys, on camera and stuff, and we're going to go through how to disconnect everything and open it up. And basically, I'm thinking about a dog box or something along those lines in gears, because this winter, close to like Christmas, thinking about turboing the Civic. I don't know. The car has 203,000 miles on it. The compression's good, so I mean, why not, right? I'm definitely gonna need an upgraded transmission. I'm not gonna make crazy horsepower, guys. I'm trying to make like 350 to 400. I want to make the car functional. I don't want to be spinning gears. I mean, I'm gonna be spinning my tires with 400 horsepower in a Civic, but the main reason I want that power is because I want to track that car. I want to bring it to the track. That car is meant, well, the car was built, like the Type R was built for, like, it was kind of more like a track oriented car. So I'm going to be upgrading the suspension fully. I already did the coilovers, but I want to get like everything, like tie rods, everything, just everything. I want to get everything back, just better suspension, and we're gonna go because the Monticello Raceway is right up behind me, and there's a lot of cool cars that go there. There's like GT3 RSs, because they all go up to Hawk's Nest, and they terrorize the street over there. Like that street is a 20-mile long street next to a river, and it's the nicest ride ever. I'm probably gonna do a video once I get my car back of just a ride along. But anyway, it's just Lamborghinis, McLarens, everything just whizzing past everyone, and they go up to the Monticello Raceway, and they you know, have fun. So I want to have a little fun. That car's really good in the back roads. I could take a corner at like 80, and I don't have full suspension upgrades and crappy tires. I have Achilles tires, like. So that's the plan so far. I'm gonna do a little bit more detail once I get the car, but now you know the plan. Yeah, transmission blew in this. It was stuck in like third or fourth, but now you know the plan for that. So, yeah, look over there. I don't know why I was pointing over there, but alright. I'm going to get back to you guys in a little bit. I don't know. The mechanic should be calling me soon. I should be getting the car hopefully this afternoon. Yeah, guys, I'll keep you updated, alright? Alright, so, well, I got my car back. I kind of ran out of the house, and I was so excited. They said the car was done. I ran out of the house. I had someone drive me, and I just got there, and yeah. So, the car feels amazing. Whatever the power issue was is fixed, and now the engine just works perfectly. Like, it has all the power. It just it runs smoothly. It's amazing. So next is the headers and exhaust, but for now, I'm gonna take a quick little spin up the Hawk's Nest, I think, and yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to set up the camera somewhere, and maybe I'm gonna do a little ride along. Yeah, so it actually ended up being a very nice day. So yeah, ended up being a really nice day. I'm gonna head to Hawk's Nest. There might be some nice cars there. Who knows? So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. Maybe I'll try to. All right. It's a really nice area. Very nice. Car's looking a little dirty. I hate this little thing. Better. Yeah, so we're just here. Hawk's Nest is like 2 minutes on the road, so we're almost there. So. Let's go. Alright, we're here at Hawk's Nest, so I'm gonna get out and show you the view. Beautiful view. This isn't the best spot. I'm gonna move to another spot that has a better view, but this is a really nice view. So. Sorry about that. Alright guys, I'm just editing here. I noticed I didn't make an outro, so make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, because I will be posting a lot more now that my car is back. There's a lot more to be done. Get the headers, exhaust, and when Christmas comes, the turbo. So make sure you stay updated, and make sure you share and like and subscribe, just so you know. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace.